Hi everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to replace the joystick on your Nintendo Switch. Yeah, you might want to do this if you've broken off the joystick, or for example, you're having the Nintendo Joycon drift whereby your joystick moved by itself. Yep. So you'll need a few items to do this. So first, you'll need a replacement joystick. I found this on eBay for about $5, which was relatively inexpensive. You'll also need a guitar pick to separate the Joy-Con itself. You'll need a spudger to take off ribbons from the motherboard. You'll need a Y screwdriver to remove the screws from the Joy-Con. And you also need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screwdrivers. And lastly, you'll need tweezers. This will help you pull out ribbon cable from the Joy-Con itself. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is press this button to disconnect the Joy-Con, and just like that it pops off. We'll set the Nintendo Switch aside. So the next thing I'll do is take these 4 screws off. So that's easy. Oops, I picked the wrong screwdriver. Alright, so undo these 4 screws, and that's very easy. Just unscrew it. Unscrew this one as well. This one too. And lastly, this one. So you want to set this aside, but you don't want to lose them because you will need them when you want to put back the Joy-Con. So the next thing you will want to do is to separate it using this guitar pick. So I'm gonna go around it and then open it like the way you would open a book. So like this. Alright. So the next thing you're gonna do is disconnect the battery. We'll use the spudger to do that. So as you can see, we've disconnected the battery. So the next thing we'll do is remove these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, using the Phillips screwdriver. So my screwdriver is magnetic, so when you're going to buy one, just make sure you get one of those that have magnetic tips so that it picks up the screws. 1, 2, and the last one right here. Perfect. So the next thing we'll want to do is flip this plastic retainer to the other side, to the opposite side. So to do that, we'll just ease our way into it like that. Yeah, so you want to expose this whole area so that you can get access to this Joy-Con. Alright. So next we're gonna do this socket right here, which is the one that holds the Joy-Con in place. And you do that by lifting the what they call the ZIF connector. So just lift this thing up like that and use the tweezers to pull the cable. Oops. Nicely done, like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the 2 Phillips screwdrivers. So by the way, these are all the same size. The Phillips screwdrivers are all the same size, so don't be afraid of mixing them up. So next, we're gonna lift the broken joystick out. So see, that's it. We put it aside. So the next thing we'll wanna do is lift up the Joycon, because this new part is gonna bulge through the other side, and it will make it lay uneven on the table. So we'll just prop it up like this and then put it into place, and yeah, repeat the same process. Put back the screwdrivers. You just make sure they're tight so that it doesn't play around when you're actually playing the games. So we'll use our tweezers again to put this ribbon, to feed this ribbon through the socket. You just make sure it locks in place, it feeds all through. You can try pushing it from back here and then lock the ZIF connector. All right, moment of truth. It's detected. So we're gonna go to calibration, gonna go to settings, controllers and sensors, and then calibrate control sticks. Then we'll press it. As you can see, the new joystick works perfect, and that's a successful transfer. Thank you.